Good afternoon, my witchy friends, and my name is Jen. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the first unboxing I have for the Witch's Moon. So I've been seeing them all over YouTube, and I wanted to check it out for myself. And so this is my first box, and I thought that I would do an unboxing video with y'all. So this is the April 2020 box. Excuse me. And it showed up super quick. Like, I got the notification on the 1st that my label had been printed, and then today I got the notification that it was on its way. So, yay. Alright, here we go. So, this is cool. It's got all the designs on the sides of the box. I'm curious as to what they all mean, but I don't know. So, I'm sorry for the shaky table. Hopefully the video is not too shaky. Alright, so to start off, you have the Oracle card. And let me take that. The theme is the Witch's Talisman, Empowerment. And this Oracle card comes from the Crystal Intentions Oracle deck by Margaret Ann Lembo. So this is what the card looks like. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably put that up on my altar. So, to start with, this looks like sigils to me, and there are 4 mini sigils. This appears to be, let's see, is it health? Let me see. Hand rolled and anointed, oh nope, that's not it. Is this the spell? I think that's what this is. Yep. So I think this is the spell. My favorite part of the unboxing sometimes is all of the artwork. And these are small sized. So actually, these look like this. That's not all in the screen. Hold on. So it looks like the sigils correspond with, they're very similar to healing, grounding, prosperity, and protection. So that's kind of cool. Put it back in. I could put these in my Book of Shadows because this is the size of mine. Mine is a, God, I'm sorry, I got allergies. But this is the size of mine, and I could put them in there, but they're a little thick. So I don't know, I might hang them on the wall. Alright, so we have eucalyptus, lemon peel, and how do you even say that? galangal root. Never heard of that one. Potent root has been relied upon to enhance protection and prosperity spells during times of quick help and manifestation. Okay. That's cool. I like getting new things. Water medicine, sacred. Wow, I totally jacked that up. Water medicine, sacred salt. Looks really pretty. This has lemon and rose oils, as well as lemon balm, rose, ground sage, green tea, peppermint, leaf herbs. Ooh, that smells really good. So that's cool. The only downside is I don't have a bathtub. I only have a shower. So, I'm stuck. This is Healing Light Aura Spray. A white feather, which goes with a pouch, and feather of bravery. Oh, this is the spray nozzle to go with this. This is probably the oil. Excuse me. Airmaid Magical Anointing Oil. That's cool. Let's see, here is a pouch. Ooh, that's a pretty stone. What is? Let's see. Quartz crystal? I've never seen a quartz this color. Huh. That's cool. I've never seen a quartz this color. But you learn something new every day. This, I think, is the candles. And these are the first of the, let me see. I'm sorry, that's it. This is not quartz. This is an Angelite palm stone. That makes more sense. Okay. These are these are hand rolled, which is cool because I've never had hand rolled candles before. And let's turn them this way. They just look really pretty. Set those back right in here. We have some lavender empowerment incense. I have to be careful burning this because I have cats, so. Because I learned recently, this is cool, easy box, that lavender can be poisonous to cats. And I have cats that will get into anything they can. So I just have to be really careful. I like the blue box because I'm a nerd, and yeah. Ooh. This is pretty. This must be the spell talisman pouch. Hand sewn. Oh wow, this is really pretty. That would be the quartz. This thing, the quartz crystal that I was talking about. Oh wow, that's pretty. Probably hang this up in my room next to my altar. This is pretty awesome for my first box. I was eagerly awaiting its arrival. And now that it's here, I can say that I am pleased with the box. It comes with quite a lot of stuff. So that over there. I'm sorry, I keep sniffling into the camera. So yeah, that's pretty good. This box, I want to say, was like $54 US. I can't remember exactly, and I can't look because I'm recording on my phone because I don't know where my YouTube camera went. It's right here somewhere. So yeah, I am pretty pleased with this box and can't wait to see next month's box. Oh, I forgot this. So thank you very much for stopping by, checking out my video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.